Hey, David here. We're gonna fly the Mantaray Boomer, and this is the plane that I built in the detailed build video. If you haven't seen that or you're interested in how this thing's built, go check it out. It's in the link below. I've put the FPV camera on it. I didn't show that in the build video, but it's a simple, and everybody has their own way of mounting the camera. I recommend putting it on top and using the pan, but you can lock it in, put it in the nose, put it anywhere you want. It's a great, probably a second or advanced FPV platform, since it is a little faster airplane. Anyway, we're gonna ground test it, and then we're going to put it up for FPV and send it. So with the camera gear on there, the battery ends up, the back end of the battery ends up being almost level with these booms. And the CG is perfect. You want to line that up right here on the end of the booms.
The rear booms.
So we'll give that a try. See if we get the front wheel tracking. Need a little bit of trim on that. All right, here we go. All right, a little different. Oh yeah, a little trim. I put a little up trim in the trailing edges of the ailerons, and that got it to lift off a little early. Interesting. Woohoo! Okay, I'm going out. Oh yeah, this looks great, man. Oh man, it starts to lift off the ground early.
Camera change mode.
Oh, this is cool. I think I'm under half throttle here, and this feels really good. One of the differences I did on this one from the prototype is I did put some of the recurse trimmed mechanically into the ailerons, so that it effectively changes the angle of the tack of the wing by the way the air goes off the trailing edge of the wing. And because delta wings and wings want to fly nose high to keep that positive angle of attack, and now I don't have to have all that trim in the elevator because it's out on the wingtips. And I did notice that on takeoff, it just wants to kind of come off the ground pretty quick. I'm hands off, just flying right here. This is just perfect. Not even touching anything. We'll do some low flybys. We'll see the precision as we, I just love looking into the turns too. This might be one of my new favorite FPV platforms. Look at that. Where's my throttle at? Can you see?
You're below half.
Yeah, and
40%.
yeah, so this is just cruising. Here we go, touch and go. Oh no, it's a cement truck. Oh, we'll go check them out. I love it. What do you think? We can look down it. That's cool. Man, this one feels lighter than the prototype. That was cool. It felt like I was feeling ground effect. I didn't want to go any lower. That was cool. Okay, I'm going to bring it in for landing. Coming in for landing. Is it clear on the road? Nice.
Landing mode on.
When I was trying to steer it, the camera was going around. That was funny.
Disarmed.
Awesome. So I just got done flying and the motor feels cool. A little warm at the base, but it's cool out on the main magnets. The ESC felt a little warm, and that could be I just need a little bit of airflow. I might need to make a scoop on the nose to get a little bit of air going through. The opening on the back helps, I think. Probably not a lot of airflow that's going through. The battery, 2200, and this is an old one too. Barely feels any heat at all, nothing. Hey, thanks for joining me today on the maiden flight for the Mantaray Boomer. And I really enjoy this plane, hope you do too. Go check out the links down below. The detailed build video is now posted and live. Go check it out. As always, just get out there and fly, and thanks for watching. Woohoo! Oh, you almost hit the light post up there.
Disarmed.